Hey everyone, John Chow here from johnchow.com, and in my last tester video you saw me black out my Model Y wheels using Plasti dip. And I got a few questions from people asking how easy is this stuff to remove. So in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to remove Plasti dip. Let's do it. Okay, so this is one of the wheels on my Tesla Model Y that I Plasti dip black. And it actually looks pretty good, but for these people who ask how easy it is to remove, I'm gonna remove the Plasti dip and just show you. It's quite simple. Basically all you gotta do is just use a little knife and just find an edge here and just peel off. Just find a little edge and start removing the plastic. And once you start removing it, you can just start peeling it. It just peels right off. So check it out. Yep. It's definitely a lot easier to remove than it is actually to spray on. As you can see, it's plastic, rubber, and it just peels right off like peeling off a Band-Aid. All right, so I'm just gonna go all around the rim here. But of course, the longer you leave this on, like this has only been on the wheel for a day, but if you leave it on for a month or a year, or after the plastic fully cures, it will be a little harder to take off when it's relatively fresh like this, and it just comes right off. You just peel it right off. So this is why, this is the great thing about Plasti dip. Like, you can put it on, and if you decide that I don't like it, you just peel it off and start over again, and find another color, find another combination. Right? Now I'm just gonna, yeah, it's like peeling off a glove. Yep. It's actually kind of fun, really. I mean, therapeutic and relaxing if I'm honest here. Yeah, look at that, eh? Peels right off. And also, this is one of the reasons why when you spraying on Plasti dip, you want to spray on multiple coats. See, the thicker you can make the Plasti dip, the easier it is to peel off. If it's thin, it won't peel as easily. So this wheel actually had 5 coats, so it's pretty thick, and that's why it's coming apart so easily. It should come off with just one pair. If you go too thin, it's gonna, well, you may need some more elbow grease, or you may have to use some chemicals. They do sell Plasti dip remover or dissolver, but if you put in enough coats and you lay it on nice and even, you won't need that. It just peels right off. The only time you will need the dissolver is probably if it's fully cured. Like once this Plasti dip fully cures, it will be hard to remove, and you may need the dissolver. But yeah, if it's relatively new, only been off for a few days, it'll just peel. It'll just peel. So. Yeah, there we are. Yeah, I spent pretty much the entire day spraying this to make it black, and I'm peeling it in a matter of a few minutes. There you go. That's what's left. Yeah, it's a little finger in the hole, easy to clean up. I just, yes, hook your finger in there and just remove the rest. There's an inner liner here. All I gotta do is like it's just, same thing. Just find the line and then just pull it off. There you go. Yeah, so same thing. Just peels it right off, and the wheel is as good as new again. There you go. Removing Plasti dip. Only takes a few minutes. Now I can spray it a new color and try something else.